Raging Weatherbell meteorologist Joe Bastardi. Well, you know what my duty is to look for trouble and supply the forecast for it. And quite frankly, I'm pretty bored with what's going on now. If there's anyone who wants to see trouble in the weather, it's me. That's why I wish a lot of this global warming stuff, how the atmosphere is worse than ever. I actually wish it was right, but all I can do is sit back and look at the days of past. Okay, back in the 30s, 40s, and 50s. However, we have to stay on top of things. Now, if you are a faithful weatherbell.com subscriber, you know the type of hurricane season we're expecting. That scattershot development within a day or two of the coast, and indeed, something may be brewing here. This feature in the Bahamas, what we're going to do is see two. The southern end is splitting off, going for the Western Gulf. But the feature in the Bahamas is going to drift into the area off the North Carolina coast here over the next 4 or 5 days, with a big high getting out over top of it to the north. So we are concerned that this is in the right place at the right time to try to develop in close to the coast. And when we look at the European now, with its probability of a tropical depression, you can see it's just as strong on the North Carolina coast day 3 and 6 as it is with the Pacific features. And for the first time, we see the Atlantic day 3 through 6 actually with a tropical storm probability as opposed to what's going on here in the Pacific. So what happens is this comes up, the high goes by, and you get the big high to the north, and then the easterly winds on the north side begin to increase the inflow into the feature, has a chance to develop. In addition to that, this could get pretty complex here. We look down the road day 9, and you may have this thing diddy bopping around in here, but a subtropical feature may develop near Bermuda. So again, all of this is out of the main development region, which is about as quiet as it can possibly be. But in the scattershot area that we referenced way back in April with the opening volley here. And so something to keep in mind. That's it for now. Enjoy the weather. It's the only weather you got.